Welcome to this technical guide on the PS5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your PS5 is powered on but your television shows nothing, you may be facing a problem with the HDMI connector. This issue can arise from a range of factors, including wear and tear, accidental damage, or even power surges. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further complications, potentially rendering your console unusable. To undertake this repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a replacement HDMI connector, and some tweezers. Begin by ensuring your PS5 is powered off and unplugged from the wall. Place it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the console's casing, taking care not to damage any clips. As you remove the casing, keep an eye out for any loose components that may have come unseated. Once the casing is off, locate the HDMI connector on the motherboard. It's usually found towards the back of the console. Check for any visible damage, such as bent pins or burnt areas. To extract the faulty HDMI connector, carefully unscrew it from the motherboard using your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure to remember where each screw belongs, as they can be different sizes. Gently lift the connector out with your tweezers, being mindful of any surrounding components. When placing the new HDMI connector, align it properly and press down gently until it sits flush against the motherboard. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, applying just the right amount of force to avoid stripping the screws. Ensure all cables are connected back in their original places and check for any other loose connectors that may have been disturbed during the process. Once everything is back in place, reattach the casing of the PS5. Ensure all clips are securely fastened and that there are no gaps. Finally, plug your console back in and power it up. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, try to handle your console with care, avoid moving it while it's powered on, and ensure your HDMI cable is not under tension. Regularly check for any signs of wear on your cables and connections. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.